In this video, we will review how to set up interest codes, how to attach interest codes, and how to run interest billing. Let's start by setting up interest codes. Use this screen to define interest rate codes that are used when club billing takes place. Interest codes are used to calculate late charges on transactions on the member's account that remains unpaid. All transactions have an interest code in order to calculate amounts for late payments. Even if your club doesn't charge members for overdue amounts on their accounts, an interest code called regular needs to be defined. Start by selecting your club. To create a new code, select Add another interest code, or select an existing code to review or make edits to it. Enter an interest code with a max of 10 characters, as well as a description. In the rate/period field, enter a rate percentage. This will be used to calculate a percentage of the outstanding amount. Enter a sales tax percentage to charge, or leave this at 0 to charge no sales tax. Optionally select a tax report code. Additional months/days of grace. This is used to give additional months, or days, of grace to extend the period of time before interest is applied to an outstanding item. If the number in this field is greater than 10, then the grace period will be given in days instead of months. Don't bother if interest charge is less than. This amount is used to set a threshold to determine if interest should be posted to the member's account. If the amount of interest calculated is less than this value, no interest charge will be posted. Specify the GL account that interest payments for this interest code will be posted to. If your club utilizes business areas, select the applicable business area to assign this code to. Suppress compound interest charges. Select this field to have any outstanding interest charge postings with this interest code not attract interest. Use the Special button to define a flat rate or stepped rate structure using the member's outstanding AR balance as the criterion. Select OK to save. Use the Additional Charge button to charge a flat penalty amount for unpaid charges where this interest code is applied. This charge will be applied based on the cutoff date selected when running the interest billing program. To set up additional charges, flag the active checkbox. Enter a description to appear on a member's statement for when a member incurs this additional charge. Optionally enter a sales tax percentage to charge, as well as a report code. Specify the override GL account and enter a description to appear on the GL. This GL account can be different than the GL account specified in the main interest codes program. Enter the additional charge amount that will be charged as the penalty amount. Select OK to save. Once you have filled in all of the applicable fields, select OK to save, and repeat this process for any additional interest codes that need to be set up. Once you have set up interest codes can be attached to pretty much anything that you bill. For example, interest codes can be attached to the fee billing schedules. Therefore, if a member is late on their payments, they will be charged interest on their fee billing accordingly. As another example, you can attach an interest code to a sales area. Therefore, anything sold in that sales area would be charged interest accordingly. The interest billing program is used to calculate late fees on charges on member accounts that have remained unpaid. The program works by using the interest code attached to all member charges. It uses the interest code on a basis to calculate the interest rate to be charged and any grace period to be given. The degree of overdueness is determined by looking at the due dates on all unpaid charges against the period ending date supplied when the program is run. Before running the interest billing, ensure all payments have been posted and the auto-apply credit balances program has been run. Enter the cutoff date, the period ending field, to determine whether interest should be applied to an outstanding item. Any grace period associated with an interest code is applied to this date. Do not use the current month ending date, as this would charge interest on all charges not paid, including the current month. The program will apply payments and adjustments made up to and including the date of record prior to calculating interest. Set the date of record field to post the resulting interest charges to the member's account and the GL using this date. If your club utilizes cycle billing codes to divide up the membership, select the appropriate cycle billing code. To reverse an interest billing done in error, flag the Post as Reversal field. This will have the amount to be billed posted as a credit to the member's account. A selection window will appear for the journal number and date of record of the audit trail to be reversed. Normally, only members who have incurred interest charges will appear on the audit trail produced. To see all members who are exempt from interest charges, flag the Include All Members in Report field. If you do not use this option, use the member selection to select which members should be included in the report. If you have set up additional charges in the Interest Codes program, you can flag if you want to apply those additional charges when running interest billing. For the Outstanding Charges As of Date field, enter an as of date, and if a member has at least one charge outstanding as of that date, the additional charge will be added to their statement. Now you can decide to preview or post the interest billing. We always recommend running a preview of the charges first. After you run a preview, you will receive a prompt asking if you want to post, review, or cancel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.